So let's start over again. Now the question is, which orbit is faster, a far orbit or a close orbit? I hope I can convince you of this. So there it is going around and around. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to circle closer and closer to it. This gets kind of comical. Right now there's no resistance or any reason for it to spiral in, but I'm just going to hit the R key. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One way to think about it is it's rolling down into that sort of depression, right? And of course, as it does it. So ironically, I guess, is I'm actually slowing it down to get it closer to that star. I hope you can see that it's really booking now, right? Whoa, look how fast it's going right now. Okay, compared to this, that's fairly majestic. Okay, this is fairly majestic, and the closer one was slower. Faster. The closer one's faster. Let's see here. I'm slowing down. Things falling into this gravity well. Slowing it down. And as I slow it down, of course, it falls closer to the star. One way to think about it is, right, the force of gravity is so strong close to that star, it's got to go. This thing's got to go fast. So the force of gravity is equal to the centripetal force. See how fast I can get it to go. All right, that's probably enough of watching me.